Hey, you made it. Quick, get in. I'm so pumped you're finally here. You okay? Did you get shot? You alright? You stabbed? No? I'm gonna let you know a little secret. I have two project cars I want to show you. So let me tell you a bit about this space. 1,000 square feet. Super sketchy, as you saw. Kind of the reason why I'm here. Me and the old lady were fixing up the house. Had to tear everything apart. Had to empty out my precious tiny ass garage. I know. But I'm here. And I got this place for dirt cheap. But first, let me give you a little tour. We got our washing station here. Don't mind the snow. It's just, not very well insulated over here. We got a working heater for a change. What's that? Oh, you like that, huh? Yep, some tasty track tires there. Got our trusty lift. There's somebody behind the wall. Let you in on a little secret. Why I got this place so cheap. They sell narcotics. Bit of a gray market kind of thing, but... Whoa, okay. I know. You're trying to kick the habit. Probably not the best place to bring you to. It's only magic mushrooms. Okay, it's only magic mushrooms. You'll be alright. I believe in you. Come with me. What else? What else can I tell you? We got our tools. We got some tires. We got a beer. You want a beer? Yeah, you want a beer. It's the non-alcoholic. You want any? Yeah. Now, most importantly, the cars. I want you to guess, maybe type with your little clickety-clack fingers, what do you think is hiding in there? Okay, so the first one I'm going to reveal is the one on the left, okay? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It is a 1997 Volkswagen Mark III Cabriolet. That's right, boys and girls. Your girlfriend in high school wanted one. Your mom's friend wants one. Now I own one. Now, admittedly, this car was always meant to be a fix and flip. I bought this in the summer for $3,500 Canadian. It, of course, has the 5-speed manual, the Technicolor purple interior, and 121,000 kilometers on the clock. Yeah, the seat here has a little bit of wear and tear. However, the top has been replaced. The car has been repainted. It's 100% OEM original Mark III Cabrio. Kind of a cool project car. Thinking I could probably make a few bucks flipping this thing. Now, I know you've been a longtime friend and follower, and this is not my usual brand of BMW Bavarian goodness, but I think you still gotta appreciate these are starting to become modern collectibles, modern classics. And frankly, it's got a little bit of a cool factor. Yes, big time chick car, no doubt about it. Do I plan on keeping it long term? Definitely not. Fix and flip. However, the kids and I did have a blast driving it around in the summer with the top down. A lot of fun. So I've still got a few things I need to fix up and clean up and get this thing ready for sale in the spring. So let me know if there's any kind of content that you want to see with this thing. Now, onto the car that you guys are going to be most shocked about. Again, guesses in the comments. I've tried to hide this and keep it nondescript, but here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! A 2005 Mazda rotary-powered RX-8. Hey, you okay? Wake up. All right. Deep breaths, okay? Let me just talk you through a little bit of the logic, okay? Come with me on the journey here. So, if you remember, I did that E90 M3 build. It was a wicked car. It was a fantastic sports sedan. And I took it to the track. And if you remember, you'll see the video, but if you remember, I was pretty disappointed in that car as a track tool. Phenomenal street machine, phenomenal highway bruiser, but this... So the biggest issue I had with that M3, it was heavy, it was expensive, and it just didn't have that lightweight sports car feel. Now this ticks all of the right boxes, okay? Manual 6-speed, carbon fiber drive shaft, limited slip, rear diff, rear wheel drive, of course. 2 owners, 92,000 kilometers. okay? This thing is in pristine shape. This is the anti-car that I would usually buy, which is a beat up, decrepit pile of garbage. And yes, I know it has a witchcraft motor, something you probably can't wrap your head around and can't understand, but this thing on track is such a blast. I've taken it to the track twice last summer, and it was so much fun. Now, the only mods I've done to this car are an external 2-stroke oil reservoir to lubricate the engine. I've got a racing aluminum radiator because these things run crazy, crazy hot. And then it's sitting on H&R race springs and Coney yellow shocks, okay? And other than some basic maintenance, this thing has been flawless, okay? So hopefully you can forgive me on this one, but I wanna know what you think. Again, I know you lost your voice. Clickety-clack tonight when you get home. Let me know what you think. So there you have it, buddy. There's an update on what I've been up to the last couple of months. Let me know if you want to see more content on the Mazda, if you want to see more content on the Cabrio. Maybe you don't want to see me ever again, or maybe we just became best friends all over again. All right, well, look, I got to get back to work. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Here, let me get the door for you. Okay, you're in the clear. Go, 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 go.